Hey guys, I'm Phil Mackenzie and we're here in Fort Lauderdale, Florida, and I have got one kettlebell and we're gonna go through a 15-minute, pretty intense kettlebell hit. Make sure the weight's not too heavy because we want to keep moving the whole time, nice and fast, build the lean muscle while we burn as much fat as possible. 20 seconds on, 20 seconds on, 20 seconds rest. So we're gonna do 2 exercises in 40 seconds, then we get the rest, then we go through to a new superset and keep on going for. All right, we're gonna start with one arm kettlebell swing, then we are going into squat and press with the opposite arm. So left arm first, kettlebell swing, then squat and press, then we get some rest. 3, 2, 1, here we go. So one arm swing, butt back, through the legs. Hopefully you can see here. So never push the butt back, don't squat down. We're on the same arm the whole time. 3, 2, 1, switch arms, squat and press now. Nice deep squat, fire it up. Core tight. 2, 1. Nice one. We're gonna go into the other arm now. One arm kettlebell swing into squat and press, starting on the right arm. Whew. So again, try and find a weight that you can keep moving the whole time. 2, 1. One of my favorite ways to keep building the lean muscle while burning lots of fat. 2, 1, squat and press. So push those knees out, sit nice and deep, fire it up, try and stay square, chest up. 2, last rep, 1. All right, kettlebell plank, pull through in 10 seconds. So nice tight core. If you have to wind your feet up, do so. We don't want the hips wiggling. 2, 1. So you just reach through. Hopefully my core is nice and tight. 2, 1, sit down, straight into Russian twist. So you want to switch between exercises nice and quick. 2, 1. Whew. All right. Next one is nice high tempo. Half burpee to kettlebell get up, and then squat jumps. Okay, so let's really lift the heart rate, really push it here. Half burpee to KB get up. 3, 2, 1, hands down, keep your chest up and up. So really throw your feet back, nice and bar. Last one, and squat jump. This should really burn the legs. Drive up, 10 seconds. 2, 1. All right. That one was tough. We got side lunge with jack and press. Okay? First one here is around the head. 2, once you go around the head and lunge. Working the arms and the legs. It's a really good one. Total body. 2, 1, Jack and press. Nice and quick. Five seconds. Yeah. Oh. All right. That's 5 minutes. 2 more times through. There we go. Nice and sweaty now. We're going 1 arm swing, 2, 1, here we go. So remember, butt back, nice and explosive. When we stay nice and explosive, recruit all those small muscle fibers. 2, 1, switch hands, squat and press. 10 seconds. 5, 2, 1. Oh, that's a burner. Now we're going right arm with the swings. I'll show you side view into squat and press. 2, 1, so right arm. So on the swings, remember, butt back. 10 seconds. Squeeze the glutes when you get to the top. 2, 1, switch arms, squat and press. 5, 2, 1. Kettlebell plank pull through. I'll show you from the front on view. Drive your arms into the ground. It's really hard to breathe now. 3, 2, 1. Nice tight core. My planting arm is driving into the ground, keeping my hips nice and square. In 10 seconds, we're into Russian twist, bringing the abs to the party. 2, 1. Nice quick transition down. Remember to transition as fast as we can. Exaggerate the twist. This one's a really good exercise because you're toning the arms up as well. Oh. All right. Oh, this one's a tough set. Half burpee, get up to squat jumps. Here we go. 5 seconds. 3, 2, 1. Down and up. Down and up. Really push it. One, squat jumps. 10. Keep breathing. 3. Come on, 2 more reps. 2. We got kettlebell around the world, side lunge. And jack and press. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. I'm running out of space here, but when you do it, nice wide lunges. Keep breathing. 2, 1, jack and press. Keep it going. Two, 1. Oh, wow. Yes, there we go. Last round. Wow. 3, left arm, 2, 1. Come on. So this is the last round. Get nice and excited. Empty the tank. 5, 3, 2, switch arms, squat and press. Eight seconds. There we go. Yes. So after every round, I keep telling myself, a little leaner, a little fitter, a little healthier. That's what should keep you going. Oh. 5 seconds. Other hand, 3, 2, 1. Here we go. Nice and excited. We're getting lean, fitter, healthier. Butt back. 10 seconds. 3, come on. 2, 1. Squat and press. Nice deep squat. Chest up. Kettlebell plank, pull through. Let's get it done here. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Drive that arm into the ground. Two, 1, Russian twist. Here we go. Can't see the timer. We'll keep going. There we go. Right on time. All right. Come on. We got about 2 minutes left, I think. Job is done. 5 seconds. Half burpee to get up. 2, 1. Here we go. Keep it going. 2, 1. Squat jumps. Come on. Take deep. And you're nice and excited. 3, 2, 1. Wow. Oh man. Last minute. Come on. Around the world. 3, 2, 1. Keep the chest up. 2, last one. 1, here we go. Come on. Everything you got, 20 seconds. Push. Breathe. Last one of the day, come on. 5, 3, 2, 1. Oh. Now that is the job done. One of my favorite things about it is that we built some nice lean toned muscle while we burn through fat. Heart rate's through the roof. You're stronger, fitter, leaner, and healthier.